Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Medspiration. So today we'll be talking about the differences in educational system of Russia and India. But before starting, please click on that subscribe button so that you can view more videos about MBBS in Russia. So let's start with our video. I won't be elaborating on the education system in India because we all know it, how it is. Huge classrooms and long written exams. Let's start with the education system in Russia. Here there are small classrooms which contains about 15 to 20 students each. So now, as we know about the number of students in each class, let's talk about the other things. Here we have two types of lectures. The common lecture and the practical lectures. The common lectures where we are taught about the theoretical content of the subject, and practicals is where we are taught about the practicals, like we view the specimens or we do the practice or everything. Then what more happens in the practical lectures is that we are tested weekly, and what happens here is that we are assessed on our knowledge what was taught in the past week. So are these tests helpful to us? Yes, because we studied regularly and that we get these points for each test. And one more thing about Russian education system is that we need 100% attendance until and unless your absence was completely necessary for you, which is like if you are ill, then you need to go to the doctor and get the doctor's receipt and then submit it to the teacher. One more thing is that we have something called as Atra Vodka, which is paid lectures. This happens when you are absent for an unnecessary reason. Now let's talk about the exams in Russia. Here we have oral exams, no written, but sometimes we can have MCQs. So why oral exams? Because no cheating. And what is the use of these oral exams is that you cannot skip any of the topics, no options. You have to study each and everything. And one more thing is that you can skip your exams if you study regularly and you get your points in the daily tests that are held during the semester. So what is this about skipping exams, which is not normal to us, is that if you study on a regular basis and get your points, then the teacher at the end of the semester calculates all your points and rates it out of 5. If you get a mark above 3, then you get an automatic credit, which helps you skip your exam. If you don't get it, you need to give your exam, which is oral. And unlike in India, we have to wait like for a month or two to get our result. Here it is not like that. You get your result then and there. And what is one more thing about Russian education system is that you get 3 chances to clear your subject, which is the first exam, second is the retake, third again retake. So you get 3 chances to clear one subject. So due to this semester pattern, the subjects can continue for more than 1 or 2 semesters. So how do we get assessed over there? Is that like for anatomy, which is for 3 semesters, then what we do is that for the first semester we have something called as Zachot, which is the credit exam, which contains only about that particular semester. The same happens in the second semester. But in the second year, there is a third semester where we have to give the exam. So what happens is in this exam is that we study from the first semester and we give the exam on that. So that is about the video. Please like the video if you found the information helpful, and please subscribe to my channel Medspiration, because we inspire to inspire.